Hello and welcome. My name is Romany, and if you're new here, hello. It is that time again. It is Quick Tips Tuesday, and I have half done some makeup. Today we are concealer. So, sorry, you can't even see that, can you? I brought a new one. Yeah. You can enjoy this with me. No, you can't, because I can't get it off. Oh my god. Ah, there you go. Ready? Nice. Lovely. So today we are doing a quick tips on setting our under eyes. Let me look at the size. You can't appreciate them. Ooh. I have to roll them up, otherwise they're going to get everywhere. So I've already done most of my face. I've used the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour Ultimate Red Lips. It comes in two parts. Your liquid lipstick side. You pop that on, wait for it to dry. It does dry a bit sticky. Then you put your balm on, which stops it from being sticky, makes it all shiny, and it doesn't go anywhere. It's amazing. Love them. On my eyes, I've been using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar, and I just did a quick eye look. I haven't put any foundation on. I've been loving not wearing foundation. So today's Quick Tip Tuesday is how to set your under eyes. I find under your eye, I see a lot of people with like creases under their eyes. So we're gonna oh, here it comes. You see that? Let me just pop that on. Hopefully. So I'm just going to pop. Right. Just used quite a bit of that. Right. I haven't brought anything in to blend that out, so I'm just going to use my ring finger. And I'm just going to tap that around my under eye. And same for the other eye. Right. So once you've blended that in, I like to let it settle. Right, this is the moment I'm going to zoom you in. Oh, hello. It's very up close. Right, I'm going to use some setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent. This is a little bit too drying for my under eye, but we're using it. Okay, so when you're setting, I'm using a Real Techniques setting brush. It's a bit dirty, but hey. So when you're setting your concealer, don't do that. You see all that there? Can you see those tiny little lines? If you were to go like that while you're setting your concealer, it will stay like that. Okay? So, let me just blend that back out. You want to keep your eyes open. Don't close them, because once again, if you close them, you're going to squint. That muscle automatically tightens there, and you get those tiny little lines. So what you want to do, make sure it's all blended out. teeniest, tiniest bit. Okay, and keeping your eye open, looking up. Okay, so no squinting. Keep your eye open, looking up, and gently pat. Not using too much. Not too much pressure. And then any excess powder, just slowly and gently wipe away. Can we zoom in? I've got a deeper set line there, which once they start getting deeper set, there's not really much you can do apart from having surgery. Right, so let me show you on the other eye what not to do. Okay, so see that eye here? If I was to go like this, scrunch that eye right up. You see there? So those lines are now set in place. They are set, they are not going anywhere. So you would have to remove all of this to be able to get those lines away. So remember, when setting your face, especially your concealer under your eyes, to keep your eyes wide open and gently, like little fairy kisses, very gentle, and then you won't be tempted to screw or and set those little lines in place. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all later. Bye!